Hello everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. If you want to make your career with a leading fashion brand, then there is a golden opportunity for all of you. Any graduate can apply, and I will tell you the details in the upcoming slide. So, here is the job opportunity by Mantra. Yes, so make your career with Mantra, which involves in making the world a more stylish place. To know the details, please watch the complete video and I will tell you how you have to register for the required position. So Mantra is hiring graduates for the profile of associate marketing. You can apply now. Let me tell you the details. So this role of associate in marketing will be in central marketing team. This team is responsible for demand generation, traffic, users and installs. You will be working on IDA funnel using all digital channels in this core job function. The primary impact of this role is to support analytics functions in managing and creation of the reports. Let me tell you about the roles and responsibilities. So, the primary responsibility of the role is around data gathering, reports management, and generation of insights generation. This person who will apply for this role will have to work with raw sources of data from Facebook, Google, Analytics, apps, flyer, and more, and stitch reports MIS for daily usage. There are some more responsibilities which you can go through in the slide. There is much more associated with this profile. You have to manage and publish daily marketing dashboards and MIS, be hands-on data collection and running Insight. You have to time pick skills in Data Studio and Google Ads Data Hub, etc. in GMP stack. So if you have an experience in this particular field, you could do wonders if you will apply for the given profile. Let me tell you about the eligibility criteria and qualifications. So any graduate can apply for this position. If you're comfortable with larger sets of data and you have advanced Excel skills and if you know SQL, then it will be a great opportunity for you. There are a few other skills which you have, then it will be good, such as experience for building and maintaining MIS dashboards. Understanding of digital function will be an added advantage. So don't waste your time and apply now. The link is given in the description box. Click on the link and you will be directed to their official website. You can apply, fill in your details and then be a part of Mantra. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. For more such updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.